Namaste. Welcome to the last part of the Pranayam practice. Again, I assume that you are here after joint preparation, doing your asana practice in different planes, and we are here now to do a little practice in coordination of the breath and understanding few techniques before diving deep into the whole science of pranayam. So today it wouldn't be fair if I just give you a pranayam technique on video. First, there are two basic things which we need to understand and practice before diving directly into the science of pranayam. But even these two things, if we do it on an everyday basis, will help us coordinate our breath better, strengthen our diaphragm, and help us calm our mind down as well. You can do it as a exclusive practice as well if you do not have enough time for your asana. So the first important thing is understanding what you need to do when you breathe. So for example, when we are asked to take a deep breath, we would pull our abdomen inside, right? But that is not the right way. We need to give space to our diaphragm. We do that by, when you inhale, you also enable the bulge in your abdomen that helps the diaphragm to come down and the lungs to expand adequately. This will, in the long run, impact our lung capacity. The second thing is alternate nostril breathing. Again, very important. Even if you do the alternate nostril breathing, which you would have heard is called as Anulom Vilom, will definitely benefit you a lot in terms of calming your mind and coordinating your breath better. So let's start with the first part. Keep your right hand on your chest and your left hand on your abdomen. And again, this entire practice is about developing awareness as to what you are doing. And every day you need to observe how your lung capacity, how your breath is getting better qualitatively, right? So keep your right hand on your chest, left hand on your abdomen. First, just observe the natural rhythm of your breath. What exactly is happening? Generally, you will notice that the abdomen does not move a lot. So in this technique of breathing, which is also called as yogic breathing, we would consciously take a deep breath in and enable the bulge of the abdomen. And when you exhale, feel the drop in your chest and your abdomen going inside. Inhale, exhale slowly. Inhale and exhale slowly. Inhale and exhale gently. Inhale and exhale gently. Inhale Now with every breath, slowly check your posture, how you're sitting. Can you expand your chest a little bit more? Can you roll your shoulders a little more backwards? Can you sit a little more straight? Keep correcting yourself. Once you develop that awareness, keep your hands on your thighs in Jnana Mudra, that is, joining the tip of your thumb and your index finger. Same. Be aware of this coordination. It is very, very important. Gently, you have to make your breath deeper, slower, more controlled. Now, when you develop this conscious awareness, pull your abdomen more inside as you exhale. As you inhale, push it outside. If your mind starts to wander, bring your awareness to your breath, to the coordination that you're aiming to target. Keep doing it. You can do it for 21 breaths or set a timer for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or even 5 minutes. As you advance, you would develop the capacity to sit longer. Now, the next part that we would go to is the alternate nostril breathing. Keep your hand in Vishnu Mudra, which is place your little finger and your ring finger together, your thumb separate, and the middle two fingers should close. With these two fingers, you close your left nostril, and with the thumb, you close your right nostril. So, we inhale with the right nostril, close your right nostril, open your left, and exhale through the left. Again, inhale through the left, exhale through the right. Inhale through the right again, exhale through the left. Keep doing it. Remember, it may take some time to develop the coordination, which is fine. Take your time. Now, another thing that you need to consciously do is make your exhalation longer than your inhalation. If you exhale for the count of 7, your inhalation should be shorter. For example, inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale even slower. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Doing this helps you control your breath better, more regulated, and generally it will help you calm down. Again, you can do 21 rounds of Anulom Vilom, where one round is inhalation and exhalation through the same nostril. After you're done with 21 rounds or whatever time you feel comfortable doing it, sit with yourself. This practice is more about developing awareness, developing your own practice, your own sadhana, your own pace. Sit back and reflect how you feel now as against before the practice. What are the muscles? What are the areas where you feel stress or perhaps pain? Be aware of that. Register that awareness. End your practice with that awareness and work on it in your next practice. Slowly you would develop awareness. Slowly you would get better at your practice and you yourself intuitively would reach deeper and advance in your practice. Hope this helps. Try it out. It is 1 hour of your day which will make all the difference that you need. Namaste.